Yes, sir.
All right, you're on.
Good morning. My name is Mark Averbeck. I'm a deputy sheriff for the County of San Bernardino. I'm also a candidate for the position of sheriff coroner for the County of San Bernardino. Elections coming up June 8, 2010. The reason why I'm having this press conference this morning is to inform the public about the serious issues occurring within the County of San Bernardino. Allegations have surfaced indicating crimes have occurred within the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department of filing false documents for personal financial gain. Specifically, post certificates are involved. A post certificate is a document in which it verifies a police officer has the proper training. When a police officer graduates the Sheriff's Academy, they get a basic certificate. As they get additional training, years of experience, maybe college experience, they get an intermediate post certificate. If an officer has 6 years of experience and a bachelor's degree, they get an advanced officer's post certificate. With additional training and becoming a supervisor, they may be eligible to get a supervisor's post certificate. With each increment and level of accreditation, there's also additional pay, of up to 5 to 7% additional pay, which really adds up over the years. Additionally, rumors have surfaced that $40,000 has been paid back to the county, which was unearned money, and the involved parties were allowed to retire rather than being prosecuted during an election year. Sources have said the number of deputies, supervisors, and command staff involved in this scandal could be as much as 15 or more employees. If the money was paid back to the citizens and the taxpayers, they deserve to know. If this money was paid back to the county, then the citizens and the taxpayers need to know who brokered this deal. This isn't leadership. It sounds like censorship to me. If this alleged theft is true and the money was paid back, and without a criminal complaint being filed, then the leaders who brokered this cover-up should resign from office immediately. An example would be if a bank robber robs a bank, and 2 or 3 years down the road, they had remorse, or perhaps they were identified. If the bank robber just simply returned the money back to the bank, would that excuse their conduct? I don't think so. I'm requesting that the grand jury of the County of San Bernardino convene under the direction of presiding Judge Elwell. My request as a citizen of the County of San Bernardino is for the grand jury to investigate the following crimes, but not limited to them: grand theft, forgery, conspiracy, perjury, and accessory after the fact. The grand jury has the power to charge corrupt criminal officials. This is the solution of bringing honest government back to America. The grand jury has the power to bring charges before the accused in the form of a presentment. In the Black Law Dictionary, a presentment is a written notice taken by a grand jury of any offense from their knowledge or observation without a bill of indictment laid before them at the suit of the government. A presentment is an accusation initiated by the grand jury itself, not the district attorney, although the district attorney can get involved in the proceedings of a grand jury investigation, which is very much welcome, and the effect and instruction of an indictment be drawn. The California Court of Appeal in the case of Samish versus Superior Court, which is actually case law established in 1938, fully established and explains the powers, jurisdiction, and the duties of the grand jury. But when grand jurors possess personal knowledge or are furnished with reliable information indicating that a crime has been committed within the borders of the county, it is the duty, I repeat, the duty of the grand jury to fearlessly and fairly investigate the charges and indict the culpable party if evidence warrants that finding. Judges, prosecutors, and court commissioners are public officers. They are not above the law. Neither are sheriff deputies, supervisors, and command staff. On behalf of the citizens of the County of San Bernardino, candidate Mark Averbeck today calls for the grand jury to investigate the San Bernardino Sheriff's Department to identify any fraudulent findings for post certificates, fraudulent credit for college or academy classes not earned for both active and retired personnel. I also urge others to contact District Attorney Mike Ramos to support that demand. Thank you very much.